welcome back. So today I am still in a patriotic mood, so I thought we would do another patriotic snow globe tumbler. For the design, I think I want to redo a stainless steel tumbler design that I did a couple years ago. I'm gonna stick the picture right here, but I like the outside how it was white and then on the inside was just a colorful glitter. Now at the time that I did that tumbler, I did not have this glitter right here. If y'all haven't gotten this glitter color yet, what are you waiting for? Go get you some. Do it. Do it. All right, y'all. Without further ado, let's do it.
Okay fam, first things first, let's tape off and prep our acrylic tumbler. Now, there has been a long held debate in the tumbler world on whether or not you need or you should prep your tumblers, whether they be stainless steel or acrylic, and I will leave that decision up to you. You do you, fam. But as for me, with the prompting of many art teachers in my head, I shall be prepping all of my surfaces before I start on any project. When I was all finished prepping, I am now ready to add my stencils. If you are interested in the stars and outlines as well as the decal, I will be having them available in my Etsy shop as well as some other patriotic designs. If you are one of my Sparkle 2 members, the file is in the Dropbox. So y'all, at first, I was making some patriotic designs for Independence Day, but the Summer Olympics are this year, which I believe begin at the end of July. I totally forgot about the Olympics. I love watching gymnastics and track and field and synchronized swimming, and oh my word, I absolutely love diving. Let me know which events are your favorites in the comments down below. And this is also a presidential election year, so we can rock our red, white, and blue designs up until November and beyond if we're so inclined. So if you haven't started making your own patriotic designs yet, you have definitely got time. I will be applying my glitter using the tack it method as usual, but instead of tack it, the actual tack it glue, I will be using Southern Belle Glitter's foil glue. I will be applying 2 coats of the glue and glitter. Now, when I'm finished, I will seal my glitter using a clear sealer, but I will not peel up my stencils. So seal your glitter before you pull up your stencils or risk sealing your scuffed acrylic tumbler from the earlier prep. I have first-hand experience of this. First-hand experience of this, so yeah, beware. Now that we have sealed our glitter with a clear sealer, we are now ready to pull up our stencils. For my first coat of epoxy, I'm going to add epoxy all over the tumbler, and then to add some extra sparkle, I'm going to be adding some of the United We Stand glitter into the leftover epoxy and applying it to the tumbler. Now, it's not going to be like all over and cover up everything. It's going to be pretty sparse. I just like the look of it to give, you know, when you have your snow globes and the glitter settles and you forget to shake it, but you fill it up with liquid, but by the time you fill it up liquid, you remember, oh, I didn't shake my snow globe. Yeah, we'll have the glitter on the outside. This is just from personal experience. There have been so many times I have drank out of my snow globe and I forget to shake it, and then it just looks so empty in there. But with this glitter on the outside, it'll still look like this. There's something going on. Okay, it's still gonna be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. Let this layer cure, then seal with another coat of epoxy to make sure our tumbler is nice and smooth for our decals. Before I added the outlines on my stars, I decided to fill my snow globe to make it easier for me to see where the outlines fit around the stars. So for my fill, I'm going to be using my usual mixture of half magical liquid and half distilled water for a suspended look. This look is my personal preference, so feel free to add whichever mixture you like. And because I added mica, I also added just a teeny little bit of vegetable glycerin to help my micas not clump together. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial on how I fill my snow globes, I will link my original snow globe tumbler tutorial down below in the description box. Now that my snow globe is filled, I can see where to place my star outlines. I'll be applying some on the tumbler. I won't personally be outlining every single star, just a few, but feel free to outline as many or not as many, or like don't add any at all if you don't want to. So do what you like. Before I added my last coats of epoxy, I went ahead and sealed the bottom using UV resin and more of the United We Stand glitter. I sealed my tumbler with epoxy and also added a little bit of diamond from PDB into my epoxy for some more sparkle, but you can totally skip this step. Seriously, you guys, you can. You do not have to do this. I just wanted more sparkle because, you know, it's me, so... I also decorated the lid, and I will post a link to the short video showing how I did it below in case you missed it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your contribution makes me able to do what I do today, and I am so thankful to each and every single one of you. Have fun making your patriotic snow globes, and I'll see you again next time.